The non-fared Freewheeler, the opulent Tri-Glide Ultra, and the brand new Road Glide-3 are the three current tricycle models offered by Harley Davidson. The Freewheeler's hot rod aesthetic and several of the Ultra's long-distance comfort features are combined in this new model. However, the Road Glide-3 provides riders smoother steering and more stability thanks in part to the shark fairing that connects to the frame, in contrast to the Ultra, which has a fork-mounted fairing. The massive rudder dampers are effective at controlling the front end. It is simpler to play Road Glide-3 quickly and when turning from stopped. You have to steer with the front wheel because there isn't a tilt as on a two-wheeled motorbike, which is really rather natural. To turn the handlebars in which direction you want them to travel, however, you must push against the opposing grip, which is counterintuitive to a motorcycle rider. The entire ride feels like a Harley Davidson motorbike, save the reverse turn. You use the throttle, brakes, clutch, and shifters on the Road Glide-3 exactly as you would on a typical motorbike. You're going to think you ride a Harley Bagger from the unique rumble of the Milwaukee-Eight 114 when you push the throttle to the crunching as the bike shifts throughout the 6 gears. Additionally, the view out the driving seat is all Harley Davidson Road Glide. When operating the Road Glide-3, you can mistakenly believe that you are riding a two-wheeled bagger. The rider posture and cockpit are similar in terms of how they feel and seem, with the exception of one small difference, the reverse gear switch. Especially the tank badge has Road Glide written on it. Even at high speeds, seeing through the narrow, opaque, non-adjustable glass is pleasant. Some riders decide to swap this out for a more expensive one from Harley's accessories selection or one of the many aftermarket choices. There are many alternatives as the Road Glide-3's fairing is identical to the Road Glide's. It's easy to enable reverse in Road Glide-3. Then, while holding down the reverse button, you put the motorcycle in neutral and wait for it to shift into gear. The bicycle will then start to travel backward when you click the button once again. Although it might be a little abrupt and jerky, it is nevertheless useful when leaving a parking place. Even though the M8's engines produced a lot of torque, it was crucial to be able to stop that swiftly. The Road Glide-3 is stopped fast and safely by Harley's revolutionary cornering-related braking system with ABS and traction control. The key to attending all the many Bicycle Week activities and locking up your possessions while traveling requires capacious, lockable, and weatherproof storage. Fortunately, the Trike's huge luggage trunk has ample room for 2 helmets, as well as jackets, raincoats, gloves, photography equipment, and tools. The same lock that locks the trunk also locks the fork. For motorcyclists who want to experience riding a Harley Davidson big twin bagger but prefer the steadiness of 3 wheels, the Road Glide-3 is the ideal solution. The Road Glide-3 is tour-ready for cyclists of all sizes thanks to its ample power, enough storage, its full-featured navigation systems, a comfortable riding posture, wind protection, and a huge tank that can transport you for 200 miles between chargers.